Hello everyone. My name is Alzoubi and I am a third year PhD student at Iowa State University. And I'm presenting on behalf of the research team our preliminary work, TEACHActive, which is an automated feedback dashboard that provides instructors with visual classroom analytics about their pedagogical strategies. So we all know that in a regular classroom, instructors teach and receive null data about their own behaviors, and they recall very little detail about their students' behavior. So providing automated feedback can really bridge the gap between what instructors recall about their sessions and the actual behaviors that took place. There's also a critical need for research that links pedagogical theories with in-class practices. So we design TEACHActive, that is an automated feedback system based on classroom analytics, and it aims to encourage a particular pedagogy, which is active learning. So TEACHActive system design, it's basically made of, it's a user-driven and it consists of three main phases, which are user goals, system process, and technical design. So the ultimate goal of users is, who are the instructors, is to improve their pedagogical practices and to implement evidence-based practices through reflection. And the system process is designed to capture behavioral indicators of active learning through an automated system called EduSense that is designed by Carnegie Mellon. Then like those behavioral indicators are visualized on the TEACHActive dashboard that we designed for this project. For the technical design, we provide more details in our extended abstract on the dependencies, such as like user dashboard, facing dashboard, the server, databases, and the cameras. So the prototype development process, we used the human-centered design approach, where we carried out this process through three main stages. First, we conducted a needs analysis and a literature review to understand the needs for the users, and then to understand also the context of use. And then we met periodically, and we did user walkthroughs with the instructors to build design consensus. And then we illustrated different interactive prototypes, which are actually mockups are found on Adobe XD on this link. So there are different prototypes on this link, but I can talk more in details about this sample prototype, which was the second prototype that we developed. So an instructor who received this prototype can navigate between a session display and a progress display. And under the session, there are like different dates where it provides the times that the instructors taught the session. So there are 4 metrics over here. There are the hand raises, the instructor's speech, the student's speech, and the class performance. And under each metric, there's a number that indicates, for example, this instructor had 11 hand raises during this class session, and they spoke for 39 minutes, and their students spoke for 11 minutes, and the classroom performance was 85%. There's also this arrow that indicates either progress between sessions or like it decreased from one session to another. There's the movement patterns, and it has like 2 drop downs, sit versus stand, and the instructor position. So instructors can either like look at sit versus stand, that is also displayed over here. So the percentage of sit versus the stand. And over here, we displayed the movement patterns. So we see, for example, the instructor was mostly moving around this time, this place. And this is the behavioral engagement. It can provide a quick insights on a scatter plot of different metrics that were as a function of time. We also added a display about reflection prompts because reflection is very important for instructors to make sense of their data. And in this reflection prompt, for example, we ask instructors to reflect on their class session and to reflect on the different metrics and see if they are like indicative, descriptive, why this happened, etc. And we collect quantitative and qualitative data from this. And I think we look forward, I look forward for further discussions during CHI conference. Thank you very much.